Tick tock. Take out the whole of silver them and carry them with you in case you need for. Scoop, scoop. You should have hear when you're at the one. Don't let me you're gonna play and yes. Pick up shot, bet him up like a marble. From one day my handwriter so I get shot and hurt me. If I press down on it hard, it hurt me real bad. Like me just get it. Them no run your coins or still money. Girl, me say show me beat all night with the 4-5. Can't predict. Girl, me tell you say. You know how much time I go around and want all $10 for put pan with me I buy and suppose me I buy like all 1,000 I can buy for broke it. And the one little $10 I just say chum. Kill him, man, kill him, man, kill him. Bust them head. Man, kill him. Kill him, man, kill him, man, kill him. Even a fuck I was born as a sinner. Can't study me car, I'm too general. A real girl, my rock up a kind of man. And the eaters, them are gonna see this. Boy, spread out on the road like big pussy, gonna wanna kill him. A long time I wear that bag here. The fluffy one. I'm gonna see my mom. Can't watch and I chat you more. Then no dirt. She could never. I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna look some Jamaican food somewhere. I like them food. Selling time. Also blocking time. No, uncle man. I know this is love. That's why them jumper through. She beat the one girl. Oh, you have acid and get beat up. And that's exactly what you need to do. Just come off my life. Didn't you know I was gonna block you? Please do it. Girls, let me tell you something. You don't need, yeah. You don't need foundation for the makeup. All you need is this. Catch me with a girl last week and something I'm going with that thing. Something I'm going with that thing. She class me as that, she class me as well. Say she used to me fuck if you cross, it's not like myself. All I need is this. You don't need them expensive. So this load them ears. You don't need expensive foundation. You don't need expensive face powder. You don't need none of them expensive shit. All you need is just go to any Chinese store. You don't have to go in a makeup store where it will cost $1,000, $2,015. You just go in a one normal store, Chinese store. Where the chain gone on? You just go in a one normal store and you buy this, will cost about $350. It's what I tell you. the people them will buy expensive stuff. I see people in expensive makeup and my makeup flawless more than the whole of them. All I need is a concealer. Just go in there. These are for like $350 or $400. Any one of them. Thanks, pretty doll. And you just buy a concealer. And it works just as how the rich one them would have worked expensive one. And you buy normal foundation. Foundation like this. Like these. And you don't need brands that the same. Something I put over your eye was shiny, you can use as brands. So some don't have to know how to survive in the world, you know? Okay. Stay there. Stay there. True, you know, say you have something, you run down bed and you sit down and you ball. And I say, I'm not have it. I can't do this. I can't put myself for look good. No, you have to look for surviving in the world. Just like if me, dear man, you're not hungry or kill me. You think I'm going to beg money for buy something for eat? Or you feel like I'm going to run down the road and stand up and beg one man? Or run down the promotion and I don't want the promotion. I climb the blood clot at the tree, I tell you. You feel me? You have to know me enough to survive. I don't know if I enough to survive. I climb a tree. Climb a tree. And I know I don't want to live. You have somebody must live with you. And nobody can tell me, so in a film house you do have $20, you do have some silver, we can make up to $100. We can remember £1 of rice for $80 or $90. Yes, pretty than a true. You know, if you walk and beg, you have enough to survive. Survive. If you're hungry like dog. Suppose I walk down the road and somebody say, you can't buy something for me at shop. Give me $100, I'm going to go buy it for you. Tell them to give you $100, because I walk, you have to walk going and sun go out there. And if at night, you have to walk in a night to go out there. So you tell them to give you $100. And you see that $100 we have, you going to spend it and buy a rice for $80 or $50 block. See cheap then? $50 for pound of rice or $60. And when you buy it, you buy a black pepper. And you're not even have to buy seasoning. Because you must have a neighbor you can go beg a little seasoning. Not wrong to beg a little neighbor seasoning. Seasoning off in your house. Because enough time you have food in my house and season there. But say you have season, you still have change, can buy seasoning. And you go and climb the ackee tree. And you get your ackee. And you buy your rice. You cook your ackee and your rice. And I know if I go live, you can eat out like 3 times if I you 1 or 2 times. You don't understand? If you have 2 bills, try get 3 bills. You buy meat, a pound of chicken back. I don't like meat, you know. I don't like meat, I don't eat meat. If I go KFC or I go buy box food, I tell the people them say, give me the bony part, which like the rib and them part them. I don't like the meaty because I can't be a truth. No care how much I try to eat meat, I can't eat it. I always have to get the meaty part, the bony part. If they don't have it, I don't take it. I like that. I like chicken back. Me love chicken back. So you go buy a pound of chicken back and you climb the ackee tree and you cook the chicken back with the ackee. Or you cook the ackee today with the rice and tomorrow you have a chicken back and you go bake a little flour. That's just it. And if you feel like you don't eat the food and you feel hungry again, remember say you don't have nothing, you know, so you can't break yourself and you have the food and not nothing for eating at the night. You go and climb a mango tree, pick 2 big Julie, 2 big East Indian, 2 Blackie, and you put them in the fridge for cold, because if it's hot and you eat it, it'll come like nothing. You put it in the fridge for cold a little bit. Because remember, say you just eat it, you can't go eat again, because you know, not eating at the night. And you go climb 2 trees or pick up 2 mango, wash them off and put them in the fridge. When you don't eat your food, now you feel like you go hungry, you eat the mango. Remember, say the mango sweet and cold and refreshing and nice. Full back your belly. Full back your belly. And then you go do a little something for me if you forget to you're hungry. Go play some game or go reason with your friend or something. Watch TV, drop asleep. You don't get me? Or if you feel like you, and when you eat off your dinner, you feel like you're hungry in the night, all you have to do is make yourself a cup of tea and you're good. Go pick mint and boil a cup of tea, drink it, and you got your bed. And tomorrow now, you see if you can do something better for yourself. The same achillem when you pick off of the tree, you just think to yourself and say, what gonna come when time I pick off the whole of the achillem off of the tree and I don't have no more to pick to eat. The little achillem left on the tree, you go and sell them. Go and sell them. You know what I tell you? You can't survive. No, but no. And if me breed right now, and me not have it, which me not gonna breed for somebody when I have it, but people make mistake and people breed. What about people breed for people who not have it? Oh, so me breed for a man and I love him and he not have it, and it make it's just a mistake. It just happens to me breed. Me not have it, you not have it. And you post your family them as somebody where really can depend on. My blood clot. As famous as I see me as I do have a business. When me breed I fast as I see me have a business. As famous as I see me as to and I do have a business. Make me breed now. Are the fastest. Me go and have a business. If I for walk and sell bag juice bar with me, I go sell it. I'll make sure that I go sell. Because I have a name out there and people know me. So people are going to say, no man, Vanya, I buy 2 bag juice from Vanya and take 2 pictures. Some I sell a bag juice, some I take a picture. And so baby, when you post it, you tag me so everybody in the world can see me I sell bag juice and then can support me. Some I sell a bag juice, some I take a selfie. Some I take a bag juice, some I take a selfie. What you say? Until I get bigger in the business, then you see me I go start have my little cart thing, my little cart with bag juice. You see me start selling little chips and them little something there. Then me move from the little chips part and then you see me start selling burger and cake and them something there. Then you start see me go large now. Then pop your friend you see me have my own a big supermarket. I tell you. I wish sometime I could have just listen to my one self and follow me, but I tell you. But not for survive. Through hard life not reach me yet. Through hard life not reach me. That's why I'm never hungry and I'm something about through the life now. Reach me, the struggles not reach me to me have to get up and do them something. But I tell you, I will do it for my child. I ask you. That's why I tell you, I can be a single mother and a fit, you know. And if my people them tell me so them not fine over blood clot for it. What you say, you know, I might not have a visa, but make them tell me so they not help me. I say if I fast, I don't get the visa and fly go over there. I say, talking on my face and tell me what you say. Put me them way there. I tell you. Put me them way there. Come on, kiss me for a minute. You know? It's alright. Me remember, you know. No lie, me I tell. Hard life did reach me one time. But I would call it hard life, kind of like said. I'm telling you, tell the story. So you know, so once upon a time, a pretty girl like me, Ivany, breed. My black cloud, the phone drop on the light come court. I swear to God, well, the phone drop and let me see if I can bring it back and drop it. Awesome. I need filter and I put together what I don't know what to say. My breed one time. I'm gonna tell you thing. Nobody never did it. My mother, but people them they did it. That's why I'm gonna tell you I never did it really. Something there. In the spit of hell. The boy never did the none. I say, I don't need to fix frontal, so it stays not frontal. It's not center, but I'm gonna tell you, say, my strength out. I like me tell me, I don't know what I was saying. I don't want to take it come cost me, and I get everything good for me. Who want you the story going to do now with me? So you can come take it and cost me later on. I'll go put it over pink one. I can't tell you nothing. You forgot we're not best friends, we're just friends. And I can't tell friends anything. I tell my best friend anything, but not friends. Afraid I wanna like puss. Me, everybody has to owe me run away from Jamaica with people money. Me left Jamaica with my own money with my whole for thousands USD when me make up a competition. Plus I did have my car to save. Plus me didn't know say me I go and I save. I never run away with nobody money. I'm gonna run with neither because this is not my country and I'm not gonna live here. No care if me I go dead at Jamaica, me I go dead. Because Jamaica my born and grow and I love my country. Right now I miss my friend in my yard much less for me I go run off. Then again, everybody know that the money what hey what you know don't talk. I'm chatting again. Look, I'm gonna tell them for them come use it because I see me a ball and me and I got that. Every time I feel sad, I just remember when Nikki step on her live. You see how last night we did festive? I just remember what the lady step on her live. Just play some song and laugh and go through. I'm gonna tell you at work. If you watch Nikki Cromer's live, man, no care to then this side. No care to me used to class side. I never know so she nice. Anytime like last night I feel down and I say last night I sit down and I think about some things. You know, I'm straightforward. I don't want to give a fuck if nobody wants to say, you're a clown and you're... I sit down and I think back and I say, John, I'm going to go and I'm going to feelings, you know. I'm so motherfucker. It hurts me. And then it come like and Nikki just box me in my face and say, hey Claire, I remember I tell you. I'm gonna say that's it. I'm gonna get up and listen to some tune. I'm gonna text my friend and my friend can have some dinner, come give me, I will start play song and all like those gone. You feel me? So I just listen to some song and just feel better. I just say good. Which country is? Jamaica. Last night festive bad. More and Jane, but the lady for my life, she funny. She class me as dark, she class me as road. Say she used to me fuck if it crosses not road. Just that's just it. And shit, yeah. Me there everywhere in the world. You can't study me. Now let go. Now let go. And when me I go breed, everybody a breed. Look at little area. She cute little girl, you see? Stop that song, yeah. You take across it, and across it, so not across this. No fuck with me go on it. This the area, look baby just, a little baby just. Somebody not kill me, I'm not left nothing on the earth. Suck pussy girl, come on for this.